Hi everybody, Karina here from Systemeio Retail. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a professional looking email signature with your Systemeio account. Like I said, it's free, it's quick, and I promise you that your email signature is going to look amazing. So without any further ado, let's start. So the first thing you want to do is to go emailbatch.com. So this is the screen you're going to see. Again, like I said, this is a free software that you can implement with your Systemeio and create an amazing email signature that will be sent every time you send an email to your subscribers. So look, you can see here are different templates. You can choose whichever you want, but then you can customize it inside of email batch anyway. So you click start with this template, and now obviously you're gonna register. So fill in all the information. Make sure you put your email address, name, and everything. And once you do that, we go into email batch, and here you can see what it looks like when you already create your signature. Well, as you can see, I already have my signature created. It looks like this. I'm really pleased with it, like it looks amazing. And when my emails are sent, it actually looks like this. So here is an example of the email I sent yesterday to my subscribers, and here you can see the signature looks like this. Is so much better than the standard just hey Karina or whatever. Okay, let's go back to email batch. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click create new. Oh, okay, well, because I have free one account, so you can only have one, that's okay. So I'm not gonna upgrade it because I'm very happy with the free version. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna click edit, but you're gonna create new one. So you should see similar screen. So you put create new one, and then here you can customize pretty much everything you want. So we have my name. So when you click on it, you have different font family, so you can choose which font do you want. You can choose different font size if you want. So let's say I want like 25, you see you can have it even bigger. You can change the colors. The only thing I haven't figured out is how to choose like my branded colors. I assume if you upload your own image, then you can make like your logo, then you can extract, but it's not giving options with like hex code. So I just literally went through and just choose like different color, for example, at least pretty much similar to my pink branding. Then here you can create also spacing at the top, spacing at the bottom, spacing left, and spacing right. So I've done it with Systemeio Retail. I think I put at the bottom, or I done it here. So when I put the text here, I have spacing at the top. You can see like 10. Otherwise, it's gonna be very cramped. So if you don't have any spacing around, you can see it looks very cramped. So I put like spacing at the top 10, and then spacing at the bottom 20, which creates nice spacing around. Okay, so the text, if you want to add text, obviously just drag and drop wherever you want, depending on different template you have. And as you can see, you can click edit, and then you just there and just add your own text here. That's it. It's pretty much it. Yeah, good. And then again, you can put space at the top 20, maybe space at the bottom another 20. And you can see it's like saved evenly. If you don't like the text, if you want to change the color, the same process, you just pick the color. If you don't like the text, you click on it, and then you have the bin icon here, so you can delete it. There we go. Next thing what you can do obviously is add in your email address. People do get your emails and they know the email address, but sometimes it's really good to have it. You can change different icon. So if you want to click the icon, you have lots of different icons here, like many different ones, so you can choose and get very creative if you want. Let's go back. Again, text color, icon color, medium size. What size of the icon do you want? Small, medium, large. I put medium. Again, different colors. Now link. I forgot to add links. So when you do emails, the link is always mail to, and I put hello at systemeio.com. I will need to update it in my signature so I can show you how I've done it. So every time you send, you want people, even on your website, your landing page, send you an email, you always need to put mail to, and then hello at Systemeio Digital, hello at obviously your email address. Data label obviously is email, and that's it. So when they click on it, it should take them to your email address. You should open up the email. Now you can also add buttons. So when you click button here and obviously drag it, you can customize your buttons. Same process again. You can choose different size. You can have full width if you want to, color if you want to have rounded corners, again spacing, and then obviously link to wherever you want to link it. So let's just delete that one because I don't want it. Now I also put horizontal line here, so you drag and drop it. I think you can change the colors here if you want, like for the gray and stuff. You can change the color, you can have the thickness, like how thick do you want the line. I'm just going for standard one. And then you also have social icons. So you can have social icons. Again, you can change the colors, you can choose from different icons. And then obviously again, link it to your channel. So I have my main one, so let's just delete this one. So you click delete. There you go, and obviously your image. So you click this pen and notepad icon, takes you to your PC, and then you can choose where you wanna, what image you wanna upload. Then you can have different size if you want it like this. You can have rounded corners or square. I kind of like it like this. I think I might keep it actually bigger. And then again, you can also link your image if you want. Spacing, I put spacing to the right because otherwise you can see again is very it's like too close together. So spacing right, so I know from the image takes 20. So then the image and the text is spaced out evenly, obviously photo label logo, and that's it then. Now if you're happy, but as a scale I don't want this, so I'm just gonna click here. Okay, now if you are happy with your email signature, what you're gonna do is click install signature, and then you click HTML. You can actually install this with Gmail, Apple, Outlook. I haven't tried it with Gmail or Outlook or anything, but I might actually do that. So because it's actually really good. I use different software for my email signatures, but I think I'm gonna change it. I will do another video though about it, because I'm using obviously Outlook and different email provider. So I will do another video about how to install it somewhere else. So what we're gonna do now though, for Systemeio, we click HTML and we have this long code. So what you do, you click copy HTML, and what we're going to do, so I'm gonna show you an example. You go into your Systemeio account, so we click the icon, click settings, and then we're going to emails here, okay? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll down, and here where it says static footer, that's displayed at the end of every marketing email, you paste it here, okay? Control V or right click, paste, or if you're using obviously MacBook, Apple, different, your Control V or whatever that is equivalent on Apple devices, you click save. And now we go into emails. Let's create a newsletter. So let's create an email, blah blah blah, because I'm only testing it. When you create an email, you can see now on the bottom, this whole HTML code is pasted in a footer. As you can see, you can't edit it or anything because obviously it's already pre-done. So I'm just gonna send a test email, test, hi test. Okay, so I'm gonna send test to, I have one subscriber, which is me, myself, and I, but you can also save and test it. So when you click save and test, I'm gonna test it and send it to myself. So let's go to my email. So I have my testing email here, and I'm gonna wait till I get email. So as you can see, I receive my email. Now obviously I've been blocked, but I'm gonna allow it anyway. And you can see I got my hi test, and then here is my email signature, and it looks amazing. Like, it looks really good. So that's about it. You don't have to do nothing else. This is how you create professional email signature for your Systemeio account.